title that Portugal has always bestowed on São João da Madeira, the working city. São João da Madeira once used to be the capital of headgear, and today it is known as the national centre of the footwear industry, and it is increasingly regarded for its quality of life. This is the legacy and the capital that the city would now like to tell you about, so that you can have a privileged access to the main protagonists in the creation of wealth. The Millinery Museum is the link to the city's most distant past. There you will have the chance to find out about what was the nerve centre of the largest local hat factory. As you go round this building, now restored, you will be able to see the machines that once operated here, feel the materials that they worked with, and hear the noises associated with the former factory's activity. To learn about the first stage of the hat-making process, we should start by suggesting you visit the Cortadoria Nacional de Pelo. There you'll learn about the processing of rabbit, hare and beaver skins from their arrival at the factory to their transformation into a light, soft and malleable product that will become the crown of a hat. The fur is then turned into a more consistent material by FEPSA, which is willing to disclose some of the secrets that have made it a world leader in the production of top-quality felts. The furs coming from Cortadoria are compressed until they become felt of different qualities, which are sent to the firm's customers in the shape of a cone, which will be fashioned by each brand depending on the individual identity of its hats. The next place you should visit is the Viarco pencil factory, the only one in Portugal. It has been operating for over 100 years and produces artisanal pencils. Always in dialogue with professionals and artists, Viarco has been investing in the conception of innovative products and breaking into niche markets where its pioneering flair and quality stand out. This is the outstanding virtue of Heliotextil too, which is a presence in countless aspects of your daily life through goods with other brand names: underwear, sheets, jumpers, sports bags, car seat belts. The areas where the firm leaves its labels, tapes, elastic bands and passementerie are truly varied. The Heliotextil product range includes the best elastic bands for footwear. The best, made in São João da Madeira shoes, are produced by Helsar and Everest. Helsar only makes top-of-the-range women's footwear, taking the utmost care with the choice of materials and paying the greatest attention to the details. The brand has gained a reputation in the most demanding markets and won several awards for technological innovation. At Everest, the company makes shoes for men, and each season it creates hundreds of models in the classic lines and many others in a more sports-oriented style. This variety applies equally to the company's own brands and those for which it works in a private label regime, such as that of designer Miguel Vieira. Everest has learned over the years to be committed to innovation without disregarding quality, design and comfort. The credit for this technical and creative know-how belongs in part to the endeavours of two other entities, which have for years been involved in supporting the footwear industry. Regarding human resources, we recommend that you visit the Centro Tecnológico do Calçado de Portugal, Footwear Technology Centre of Portugal, which has for decades been a crucial influence for furthering the sector. It offers vocational training, quality certification, industrial organization, and dissemination of knowledge. But above all, it is a test tube, where footwear companies can try out solutions for the challenges they face. And now, in the Centro de Formação Profissional da Indústria do Calçado Footwear Industry Vocational Training Center, the only tests are of the working and creative skills of the people who make up the workforce essential to the operations of companies in the sector. More than 350 trainees come here every day to be educated in all areas related to the footwear and leather goods industry. While the best experience that other towns will give you is the chance to revisit the past, here in São João da Madeira, we are inviting you to participate in our present, in the working city with quality of life, where today we are making memories.